Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into Samsung's newest flagship, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, a device that promises to redefine the future of smartphones. Alright, let's dive in. First, let's talk about the design. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra has an elegant, lightweight titanium build that not only looks premium, but feels very durable. At just 8mm thin, with near bezel-less design, Samsung has truly pushed boundaries. And yes, the dynamic AMOLED 3X display is a stunning 6.9 inches, with a 3200 x 1440 resolution and a buttery smooth 144Hz refresh rate. Whether you're gaming or streaming, the visuals are a feast for your eyes. But the highlight of the Galaxy S25 Ultra is its camera system. Samsung is stepping up the game with a revolutionary 250MP main sensor, paired with a 40MP ultra-wide, 12MP telephoto with 10x optical zoom, and a 3D depth sensor. Whether it's daylight or low light, the AI-enhanced nightography mode captures every detail beautifully. And for video enthusiasts, it supports 8K recording. Yeah, you heard me right, it's 8K recording at 60fps with ultra-stable optical stabilization. Perfect for creators. Under the hood, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is powered by the Exynos 2500 or Snapdragon 8 Gen 5, depending on your region. With a groundbreaking 3nm architecture for unmatched performance and efficiency. Paired with up to 16GB of RAM and 1TB of storage, multitasking and gaming are seamless. And let's not forget about the battery. The 55mAh battery supports 65W wired and 45W wireless charging, giving you a full charge within an hour. What makes the S25 Ultra apart are the unique features. And here is something cool. The improved S Pen now supports remote control features for productivity on the go. And the One UI 7 experience is tailored for efficiency, with enhanced multitasking capabilities. Plus, Samsung's ecosystem integration with Galaxy Buds, SmartThings, and even Windows ensures seamless connectivity. Here's my final thoughts. Samsung has once again raised the bar with the Galaxy S25 Ultra. From its jaw-dropping design to incredible cameras is its top-tier performance. This phone is a powerhouse. Priced at approximately $1,299. It's a premium investment, but one that tech enthusiasts will love. What are your thoughts on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra? Let me know in the comments below. If you've liked this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting tech content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.